it's a reality you need to face.
Yes.
It's a truth you need to face.
Minsan, iniiwasan natin yan, Mars. Ako, for a time, takot ako sa weighing scale. Hindi ako takot sa multo. Ito talaga, legit. Umiiyak talaga ako habang nagbibihis, ah.
Oh my God! Pagod na ako. Sabi ko nga ginagawa.
Natawa ko, tapos ito. Yung talaga. Pero iiyak ko yun
Yep.
eh.
Yep.
Iiyak ko yun. But I will still do it.
Kami ang inyong mga... Episode 2.
Agad-agad. Episode 2 na tayo.
Oh my
Can I
God,
think this will be
believe it.
one of our favorite episodes?
Oo nga.
Yes.
Yes.
Can you tell why?
Yes. Yung outfit namin, alam mo, isa sa common denominators kasi naming tatlong mga Mars is mahilig kami mag-workout. And we
Yes.
try to stay fit and healthy.
Yes.
Kaya baka may mga Mars natin dyan or mga Pars na gusto rin malaman kung ano yung mga fitness regimen natin, how we got started in
Yes.
fitness, etc., etc. This is the episode for you.
This is to pressure you to get moving.
That's true.
Okay, because we are not getting any younger.
That's true. That's
And
true.
we are only losing muscle as we get older.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Parang actually, I think mas priority dapat natin ang lakas kaysa sa ganda.
Tama
Kasi
yan.
ano gagawin mo sa ganda kung hindi ka makakatayo?
Totoo
At
din.
saka kung konting galaw mo, aray.
Oo,
Diba?
oo,
Hindi ka
oo,
makakilos.
oo, totoo.
So dito tayo
yan.
sa ating fitness,
Strength.
yes,
Oo.
our fitness goals and
Correct.
achievements.
Ito ang
Ay.
ating episode na pinamagatang. Tapos wala kaming title.
Ano?
Lalagyan
Wala.
lang natin ng parang bumper yun.
Oo, parang kayo
hindi
ng
pa namin
bahala.
naisip. Basta
Ano nga
fitness
bang
to
pamagat
fitness.
nito? Basta fitness.
Basta
Oo.
fitness, oo.
And I think it would be really great to begin with Cam's
Yes.
story because I feel that out of the three of us, I think the most inspiring story is Cam's fitness journey.
Transformation pretty
Yes.
much.
Yeah.
Diba?
And I think that
Transformation.
really started kasi talagang to begin with, na-pressure lang naman talaga ako sa inyo.
Tama.
Ito po ang resulta ng matinding pame-pressure.
Not bad eh.
Pwede na,
Ganda,
pwede na,
ganda.
ate, oh.
And I love it. I love it, Mars, because like I remember Suze from the beginning always being this.
Yes.
Well,
yes.
look,
She's always looked this way.
Parang, I guess, because it's me, parang I know that it's not always like that. Parang, syempre, pag bata ka, you have more collagen,
Bale,
you have
how
more
you feel na lang
baby
yun.
fats, etc., etc. But I'd always been athletic. Or
Okay.
I've always
There.
been parang good in sports.
Like
Parang,
coming from probe.
coming from Game Plan, di ba?
Ayun.
Was just a sports show that I used
Yeah,
to do.
yeah,
So,
yeah.
very proficient naman talaga ako in terms of sports. Sumasali ako sa mga sports activities sa school, varsities, blah, blah, blah. So, pero it doesn't mean na fit ako kasi hindi naman ako laging nasa team. So, when
Yes.
you're on the team, yun yung 3 times, 4 times a week. Kasi
The training.
Oo, bata ka. Because Nathan does soccer and
Yes.
Yeah.
pagod siya talaga. Di ba yung batak siya talaga? But definitely always sporty and athletic. Not always super fit. I guess yung concept ko kasi ng super fit, yung maskulado ka talaga. Na atleta talaga yung dating.
Like me.
Like you.
Like
exactly
me.
like you.
So I feel that that's people's that's how I feel people have always imagined me. Parang
Kasi parang totoo naman.
From then till now,
Condition
I'm
ka
just,
palagi, Mars.
parang
Oo,
yun ang
since
image
birth.
ko. Muscle.
Oo, totoo yun.
Which is why I think your story is so inspiring because
Absolutely.
people have seen, the transformation. And so, like, I feel that through your story, people know that, if
It can
Camps
be
was
done.
able to do it, then I can do it too, and you can.
Yes.
it can be
Actually,
done.
Mars, yun yung isa sa mga na-realize ko that it's never too late. Because nung time na talagang sineryoso ko, like, I would think, Mars, na nag-workout naman ako. Hindi naman ako yung talagang zero.
And so good at our fitness segments, ha?
Kasi nga, pressure ate, di ba? Parang hindi ka naman magpapatalo, di ba? Na
Bilang
manghina.
competitive.
Oo.
Ng
Nang hiya. At nang hiya. Di ba? Medyo may hiya ka naman sa sarili mo na mas bata ako kay ate ng 10 years. Eto, hindi ko to makalimutan. May pumunta doon, may nag-guest doon. Hindi ko alam kung naalala mo to ate.
Nervous.
Sinukat yung mga age ng body. Oh. Yung like this weighing
Metabolic
scale.
age?
Yeah.
Yes,
Oh my
yes.
goodness.
And
okay.
ate stepped on it. And then I was already nervous, Mars. Shucks, sabi ko, ate.
Magkakaalaman
Oo,
na.
magkakaalaman.
Wala akong lusot dito.
Oo, tsaka si ate, alam mong confident eh. Yung, I wanna try. Ganyan. Pak, how old is your body? Ate, natatandaan mo? 21? 18? Parang ganun.
Mga 15 years younger than,
Ganon.
than my
Actual
actual
age.
age.
So, ako na, Mars.
Ano naman?
And at that time, so ate was 37. So, say I'm 27. 10
Kasi
years.
10 years. Talagang 10 years apart.
What's your score,
So,
Mars?
pag sa ko 27, yung age ng katawan ko, 36.
Oh my
10 years older. Almost 10 years older. So, ako talaga parang,
Sira to.
May
machine
problema
na to.
tong machine.
Oo, papalitan to. I-out tong machine na to. It's impossible, di
it's
ba?
either it's too young or it's too old. But it's not accurate.
Maybe ba to?
I object,
think
Your
so.
Honor.
I think so, Mars. Pero talagang, alam mo yun, but you know, yun kasi yung mga bagay na kailangan minsan ma-realize ng isang tao to actually commit to change.
But it's a reality you need to face. It's a truth you need to
And
face.
minsan, iniiwasan natin yan, Mars. Ako, for a time, takot ako sa weighing scale. Hindi ako takot sa multo, pero takot ako sa weighing scale.
Dahil gusto ayaw mong malaman.
I don't wanna know the truth.
For those who are probably wondering, ano yung metabolic age na yan? Okay, so malalaman dun sa scale, kasi kunwari, yung edad mo, 36. But your metabolic age, meaning how your body, I guess,
Burns.
functions and burns and the engine of your body, it can,
Gumgana siya,
knows what it is.
efficient.
It can compute that. So it can either be older than
Yes.
your actual age or
younger.
younger.
So
Of
parang-
course, dun tayo sana sa younger.
So,
Yeah.
ibig sabihin, sa age ko na 27, yung metabolic
Yung
ko,
katawan niya gumagana parang isang
36 years
36
old.
years
So,
old.
ibig sabihin, ganun na siya ka-slow kasi alam naman natin, as we age, bumabagal siya.
Yes.
So, syempre, parang realizing also na I'm not really fit. Alam mo yun?
or how
So,
your body burns nga.
yes. So, parang sabi ko, naku, hindi to pwede ganito. So, I would try and try and try. And then, trial and error, Mars. Yung, some of it, I would blame on genetics. Kasi feeling ko, yun talaga kami. Or yun talaga yung body namin. But I didn't realize na, ano pala siya? Katamaran.
Pwede bang labanan ng genetics?
Oo, katamaran siya. It's because I'm not putting enough work to actually,
Get the results that
yes,
you're looking for.
na magpo-push sa katawan ko na magbago. And only when pandemic happened, because Mars, wala nang reason. Kasi diba
Walang
dati,
taping nung time
walang
na yun.
taping.
Oo, walang labas din ng bahay.
walang labas ng bahay,
masyado.
walang masyadong pang grocery.
Correct.
diba?
And then I remember,
Stupidity.
Mars, I also remember, Mars, you got sick.
We got COVID.
Yeah, and then
We
I
got
know
COVID,
that
the
you
alpha.
also lost a lot of weight there too.
O sa stress, Mars. Kasi parang it was a different season. And then, ayun na, parang VJ and I, we were like, we can't use the excuse of busyness. Kasi hindi na tayo busy. Ang
Oo,
dami na
tama,
nating oras.
tama.
And nung panahon ng pandemic, dalawa lang yung pwedeng mangyari sa'yo eh. It's either maging sobrang healthy ka or may mahanap kang hobby na hindi mo alam dati na matututunan mo or the other way around.
Yes, yes.
And thankfully, VJ and I, yun talaga yung kinareer namin, working out. Wow. Thankfully, may mga
Kapit-bahay kayo.
kapitbahay kami na nag-push din sa amin na matuto at maging consistent kasi they would invite us to work out. And pwede ka nang bumili ng equipment.
Tapos i-deliver na lang sa inyo. Nauso na
Pwedeng
dyan
sa
lahat ng mga
bahay lang.
delivery.
Lahat.
We were pa-deliver everything from ilaw, pag kunwari nagzo-zoom call ka, hanggang sa equip. Pero prior to that, Iya had already inspired you to lift weights. Tama ba?
It was you first.
So
because you were
first,
with
I was
her.
doing bar.
Yeah.
So kumbaga ate, controlled yung weight, pero
Yeah.
yo-yo.
Oo.
Hindi consistent.
Kasi hindi ka naman nakakapunta sa class all the time kasi it's a
Oo.
class eh.
And syempre,
So you
may
have to go
eating
there.
habits also.
Oo,
Like
oo.
ngayon, kailangan mong pumayat for a certain project. So, jeta ka niyan. Saba diet for a week para bagsak. After nun, babawiin mo ulit ng kain. So, yo-yo yung
Yeah,
katawan mo. But it was only when, yun nga, so with Mars Iya, same dressing room kasi kami.
Oo.
So ngayon, pag nagbibihi siya, talagang sabi ko,
Walang taba, no?
walang taba, tapos may
Walang
cut
taba.
dito sa baba dito, may
May
ganun siyang
taba
ganun.
naman.
Tapos ang tigas talaga. Yung
Lean
abs
meats.
niya, putok
Oo.
kahit walang ginagawa.
Oo,
Tapos
oo,
ang
oo,
sarap
oo.
kumain. Yun yung masaklap. Yung, ang sarap mo kumain. Pag kumain pa siya talagang, para siyang ASMR. Hindi pa
nam,
uso yung
nam.
ASMR. Siya yung
Ang
parang,
sarap po talaga
Mars,
kumain,
I
actually.
remember,
That's my sin, Mars.
ang
Gluttony
sarap.
talaga.
So, nalagay na yan. So,
Yes.
ibig sabihin, yung tindi ng muscle ng katawan mo, kaya niyang sunugin yung pagkain na kinakain mo kasi.
Sana. But you know, as we're getting older,
Yes.
it's not burning the same.
That's true, I
So
know
medyo
it.
ngayon kailangan kong
Don't I know it?
I am really trying to, I'm struggling with self-control.
Mas
talaga.
ma-effort na ngayon, mas
Yeah.
ma-effort.
I remember Mars, parang it was one Christmas and then my gift was yung charcuterie. mga cheese and honey and stuff. So, Mars, Merry Christmas. Okay. So, break time. Kainin na natin to. So, parang sa isip ko, so hindi to aabot sa pamilya mo, sa bahay mo. Right then and there, sa liit ng dressing room na yon, yung kahon na yun, nakasalampa kami sa sahig. Tapos habang nagchichikan, tapos,
Ay, ang saya.
sausaw sa honey. Tapos parang ako yung, sarap mong kumain, Mars. Ang sarap mong panoorin kumain. Yung enjoy na bawat kagat. So, seeing all that, I'm like, how is this possible?
How is it possible?
How can you like eat
Yeah.
this good and yet still have this body? And then I remember her telling me na parang, Mars, wag kang matakot na mahirapan. Like sabi ko, explain to me like, ano yung eksaktong, ano yung ginagawa mo. Wag kang matakot mahirapan. Kunwari, feeling mo mahihimatay ka na, tuloy mo pa. Ganun siya. Tuloy mo pa, Mars.
Pa-stretcher
Okay.
ka. Pa-stretcher.
Tapos, paano ko malalaman pagka hindi ko na talaga kaya?
Mars, ang sinabi ko lang naman ata sa'yo, pinaghihirapan to.
Oo, pero sabi ko nga, pero kasi I want her to explain to me how. Kasi
Hanggang saan? Hanggang
naghihirap
anong-
din
oo.
naman ako.
Oo
ah.
din, oo
Diba?
din.
Hindi, lahat naman ng workout, mahirap naman,
oo,
ate.
totoo.
Pero minsan, may hirap kasi na ayaw mo na.
Oo.
Pero yung sa'yo, itong resulta na to, hanggang saan yung hirap na kinakaya mo para umabot ka sa ganito, yun yung gusto kong maintindihan.
Yes.
And that's what she told me. Don't be scared, Mars, na mahirapan ka.
For it to get uncomfortable.
Tapos, kapag nahirapan ka, kasi she explained it so well, siguro, di ba nahirapan ka, i-push mo yun. Push yourself. Keep pushing yourself. And then if you really think you can't, you pause, you stop, you breathe, you walk, and then you go back. And then the next time you do it again, you'll notice that it's a little easier. So I'm like, okay, naiintindihan ko na. Kasi kailangan ganun yung paliwanag,
Breakdown
ate.
mo sa akin.
Oo,
I-breakdown
kasi
mo sa akin.
madali yung gumanon
Yes,
after
yes,
15
yes,
reps.
yes.
Alam mo yun?
Oo.
Pero I want to understand, how
Yeah.
do I get to this
Yeah.
point? And that's what I did. So doon ko naintindihan na, yun pala yung
Pinaghihirapan
ibig
nga
niyang
talaga
sabihin
siya.
na pinaghihirapan siya. Na every day you choose to do that, you commit to it.
Right.
Even if you don't feel like doing it.
Yes.
There were days, ate, ito talaga legit. Umiiyak talaga ako habang nagbibihis, ha?
Oh my God. pagod na ako. Sabi ko nga ginagawa.
Katawan ko, tapos ito, yung talaga, pero iiyak ko yun
Yep.
eh.
Yep.
Iiyak ko yun, but I will still do it.
How did it start for you, Mars? How often were you lifting? How often did you clean up your eating? Because I'm sure that's what they would love to know.
Were you following accounts on YouTube? Kasi online yung ginawa. I
Yes,
mean, di ba
yes.
pandemic style kayo nun eh.
Nung una, ate, I remember was that, first, siguro that helped me was that to have an accountability partner. Someone who will really push you. Kasi kung ikaw lang mag-isa, parang, wag na. But VJ was with me and he was also committed.
Yeah.
Okay.
So he was like, love, gawin na natin to. Let's do it together.
So
So
what
there were,
was it with VJ and why also did he decide na, okay, I want to start this journey na rin?
kasi parang feeling niya na, akala niya kasi Mars healthy siya. Akala din niya, okay. But then, na-realize niya na when he started working out, that he was not as strong as he thought he was. So he was like, shucks, akala ko kaya ko to, pero ba't nahihirapan ako? So na-challenge ngayon si Sir. Eh di ba
Okay.
mga lalaki, ganun sila na parang,
Yes.
di pwedeng di ko to kaya. Kailangan kayanin ko to. So yun naman yung motivation
Saka
niya.
strength-based sila eh. As a
Yes.
man, di ba, I should be
Yeah.
able to carry
Yes.
stuff.
At saka endurance ate.
Yes,
Dapat
yes.
kaya mong tumakbo
Yeah.
ng gatas, hingal na hingal
Oo,
ka. So,
tama,
all
tama.
those things parang made him feel na parang, shucks, I'm not as strong as I think I was. So, yun. And then, may mga times pa, Mars, na VJ would really be like, on the dot siya, 7 o'clock dapat gumagalaw na kami.
Okay.
So, first, we started changing our habits, sleeping habits.
Yan.
Yes.
Dati late kami matulog.
Okay, makinig kayo mga Mars. Okay.
Kasi ito yung pagdating sa fitness and health and wellness, yung pinaka nasa ilalim ng listahan.
Yes.
Yung tulog. Especially nowadays na maraming distractions.
Hindi ka makaka-workout ng hindi
Ah,
enough
diba?
ang tulog.
Yes.
Sino dito kompleto sa tulog? Wala.
Wala.
8 hours? My God.
Oo, that's
What
the
a
goal.
privilege.
Alam mo, ang dali mo kasing ismolin ng tulog.
Yeah.
Eh. Lalo na when you're young, you feel like, I just need 2 hours.
But,
Pero
wow.
it's, your body needs it.
Yep.
At saka 'di ba sabi nga nila Mars, ang tulog never mong mababawi yan. What you've missed, you've missed. Hindi yung, bawi na lang ako, habaan ko na lang yung tulog mo. Hindi mo siya mababawi. Pagka hindi mo siya nagawa, your body will already
Start to
suffer
panic.
from that
Oo.
at hindi siya magre-recuperate just because you slept longer the next day.
And of
Nangyari
course,
na siya.
Yung tulog ninyo, yun yung nagre-repair ng muscles na pinunit ninyo nung nag-workout kayo. So that's why kaya inaantok ka kapag kunwari nagli-lift, di ba? Kasi parang pinupunit mo yung muscle mo, tapos kailangan mo yung tulog para mag-repair siya, pero mag-repair siya na malaki na siya. Mas lumaki na siya.
And there's
Ganon.
actually
That's a
time-
very nice description.
And there's
Ate.
actually a time where your body really recovers.
That's
and
true.
it's during that sleeping time. I don't know if it's like from
10 to-
from
10
11
to 3,
to 2
mga ganyan,
or
11
something.
to 2
May
p.m.
oras yung
11
Mars,
p.m.
yung
Yeah, yun
naglilinis
yung
ng
optimal-
something,
yeah.
ng
yan,
kidney.
correct.
Diba?
Lahat
Lahat yan.
Pero knowing what we know about sleep, ganun pa rin, nagpupuyat pa rin yung mga tao. Alam ko naman lahat, alam nyo din lahat yun, di ba?
Alam mo, and
But-
all the more it's harder for women, lalo na if you're
hard.
going through, something like perimenopause, where
Right.
you kind of just like start to really wake up at night, and it's only gonna get harder.
Yep.
Yeah.
So
Yep.
while you can still enjoy
Enjoy.
that sleep,
Yes.
enjoy
Oo, tama.
it.
Kasi darating yung panahon na gusto mong matulog, pero
Hindi ka na makatulog.
hihisimang ka na talaga nung
Ng katawan mo.
Or hindi
Totoo
ka
yan.
na makatulog.
Hindi ka na
kabigyan.
makatulog.
So yun, binago nyo yung sleep ninyo.
Yes, ate.
That was
Natutulog
the
na
first
kayo na
step.
mas maaga.
So dati,
Para
we would
maaga
sleep
kayo
late.
maka-workout.
Yes, we would sleep late. So dahil late ka matutulog, syempre late ka rin magigising. So, and then, domino effect.
Pag
Yes,
late ka na nagising, wala ka nang ganang
Wala,
mag-workout.
sluggish.
Wala ka
medyo
nang gana
cool,
mag-workout,
late
wala
na.
ka na ring oras mag-workout
Late na.
kasi naghahabol ka na ng mga kailangan
Yeah,
mong gawin.
yeah, correct,
So first thing
correct.
we changed was our sleeping. So
Okay.
tulog tayo. At that time, Nala and Nolan were still very young, like a year old and 3. So maaga silang matulog. So pag pinatulog namin sila, tulog na rin
dapat
kami.
kayo.
Okay, very
And then
good.
wake up at like 6 a.m.
Okay.
5:30. VJ wakes up earlier than I do. Tapos pagdating ng 6 Mars, kape, tas basa, quiet time and all those things. 7 o'clock on the dot, we work out. So it's the first thing that we do in the morning. So for me, yung working out, hindi mo siya, it's something that you can't squeeze in
Yeah.
to your day. You really
You have to schedule it like
Part
you're
siya.
being paid to do it.
Yes.
Ganda.
Ang ganda niyan. Quotable quote yan, Mars.
Kung pwede nga lang, edi ang yaman ko na sana.
Ay, totoo ka.
Mayaman ka naman din talaga.
sa health. Ano ka ba?
Sana pinayaran na lang ako, di ba? Pwede ba ako maging professional,
At yun ang-
athlete?
At malalaman mo naman na yun talaga ang tunay na kayamanan. Di ba
true.
sa dami na
Your-
naririnig natin
your
na
health.
younger than us, itong nangyari, ito yung sakit niya, etc. Totoo naman kung sino yung
Yeah.
nakaisip nung health is wealth.
It really
Tama
is.
ka,
True.
sir, ma'am. Oo,
True,
tama.
true.
Tama.
Na binabaliwala nating lahat.
Oo. Yeah.
So yun. And then, consistency. Yung food kasi parang hindi siya agad-agad. Because for me, practical na kapag kasi nag-workout ka, tas may binago ka agad sa pagkain mo, feeling mo deprived ka eh. Tas parang susuko ka agad
And
eh.
also, I think to begin with, your eating habits naman aren't really bad.
Sakto lang, Mars.
Oo, oo.
Pero we would eat a lot. Like
Oo.
kanin kung kanin.
Pero
Okay.
kasi, ang mahalaga lagi, real food.
Yeah.
Kasi
Oo,
parang
oo.
after
hindi
a while,
naman kami
yung mga
ma-junk
tao
food.
iniisip, yan. Hindi,
Hindi
sila-
kami ma-colored drinks.
Yan.
Oo.
Yan.
Yes.
Yung
So, to
desserts,
begin with,
yan,
medyo
paminsan-minsan.
Oo,
Ang hirap
oo.
kasi
Pero
talaga.
generally sila. Ako nga nagdadala ng mga junk food. Di ba
Ayun,
pag tayo din
lalo na
nag-outing,
ako,
ako
diba,
din
as
nagdadala.
friends,
Correct.
Support ako dyan.
Yes.
Support ako
Kasi
dun
yun
sa
mo lang,
dessert.
doon mo lang makakain yun pag nandun ka eh, di ba?
Oo,
Pero
oo.
in the house, I don't normally buy.
Very good, very good. So
Yeah.
at least that one, medyo ata, pero tama ka nga, pag masyadong pinagsabay, pagod ka na,
Yeah.
gutom ka na, frustrated
Baka malungkot ka.
Malungkot ka talaga.
Tsaka sama na loob mo, kunwari, 1 week ka ng ganun, hindi ka pa rin payat. Yung, ang taas ng expectations mo, di ba?
Totoo, sa hirap na pinagdaanan mo, wala pa rin nangyari.
Oo,
Ganon.
kaya yung iba, bitiw na agad sila.
Ayaw
kasi
na
parang
nila.
nagpakahirap ako, wala naman nangyari.
Yes.
But you couldn't give it any more time kasi it was just too hard. Pinagsabay-sabay mo din talaga.
That's true.
Oo,
That's true.
oo.
And then, one of the things that I noticed also, kasi I realized most of my life, I was on a diet. Kasi yun yung kailangan sa trabaho natin eh.
Oo.
So,
But what if you needed to gain for a certain role?
bihira yun, Mars.
Parang gusto
na
mo tong
yun?
role na to. Parang magbabalik artista ka na dito.
Bihira yun, Mars. Wala pa akong narinig na ganun.
Parang inisip ko, parang ang hirap naman siguro nito yung pinagain ka for a certain role. Tapos
Ay,
after
Bridget
that,
Jones.
kailangan ipalose ka.
Bridget
para
Jones'
sa...
Diary. Yung mga
Tom
artistas
Hanks
din,
and
yeah.
Castaway, but
Yeah,
they were
Castaway.
paid for like every pound they gain or lose. That's what I heard.
Correct.
Diba? Oh, ito talagang all for love.
Yeah.
But, yun siya. So parang feeling ko talaga, yung struggle ko sa pagkain, ang lala. Kasi deprived talaga.
Oo.
So kapag may chance na kumain, lamon. Lamon talaga. Lalo na pag buntis, Mars. That was my
Yeah.
excuse. Like, I will eat whatever because, these are the things I never get to do when
And I'm
I'm...
breastfeeding.
Yeah, and
that.
all those
And hindi
excuses.
halata kung mataba ako kasi buntis ako eh.
Yeah,
Yeah.
tsaka,
Diba? Oh, yeah,
ito
for
nga yung
sure.
excuse mong naglilihi ka or
Oo,
what
oo,
have you,
oo.
diba? So, yun yung struggle ko pagdating sa food. So, yung one thing that change ko, kasi diba pag nagda-diet ka or nagpapapayat ka, not so much on the workout, nagbabawas ka ng pagkain. But with this journey, ang nangyari, kabaligtaran. More workout, didn't focus so much on the food. Kailangan lang consistently mag-workout.
Okay.
Second, I did not also focus on my weight. Hindi ako nagtitimbang. Basta ang gagawin ko lang, gigising ako, mag-workout ako, the next day, repeat. And then of course, you have your rest days, but 4 to 5 times a week workout.
Okay.
So, consistently. And then, I saw something changed in like the 3rd or 4th month. Matagal.
Tagal, di ba?
Matagal.
Again, can we repeat that, Mars?
Oo.
3 to 4 months.
She
Na
didn't
may
see anything
konting luwag ng pants akong
Doon
napansin.
pa lang,
And
it
this
really
was
takes
working
a
out
while.
almost every day.
Every day na mahirap na
Oo,
nakakapagod.
oo.
So I'm like, we were like that. Lumuluwag na yung And then VJ was like, love, ayusin na natin yung food natin. Like we
Okay,
can still
and
eat,
then-
but let's eat mindfully.
Yeah.
More veggies. We changed our carbs to like, I don't know, probably adlay or quinoa or something else or cauliflower rice. Lahat na yan, sinubukan natin. And then more protein. Kasi si VJ naman yung pagdating
Yes.
sa pagkain.
Saka pang muscle building naman yun, more
Yeah.
protein.
And then less oil. We stopped frying. I started baking. Naging best friend natin ang oven, Mars.
Yes,
air fryer.
Yes. Di ba kasi yung oven, iwan mo lang after tapos na, wala kang masyadong,
Halo-halo,
Diba?
timpla-timpla.
Plus walang mga sugar. Yan. So parang yun yung mga things na change namin. So the whole journey na maging sobrang evident yung change, probably about 6-9 months.
Because
Bago siya
people might
umabot
think na
dun.
parang, ba't biglang pumayat si Camille?
Yeah.
Hindi siya bigla.
Hindi siya
pala
bigla.
siya bigla. Di ba? It took that long, 6 to 9 months.
Although it did feel bigla to me.
Yes.
Because it happened during the pandemic.
Yes.
Na hindi kami nagkikita in
Exactly.
person.
Sa Zoom
kami
Because
nagkikita.
Sa Zoom lang
Exactly.
kami nagkikita.
Yes.
So finally, nung nagkita kami,
In real life.
Yeah.
aliw na aliw. I was like, Mars. I was like totally like touching her
Yeah,
arms.
yeah,
Oh my
yeah,
gosh,
yeah,
Mars,
yeah,
can you
yeah,
flex?
Yeah.
Oo, talaga. And then, kasi we were doing it Zoom eh. Sa Zoom ate, so may Zoom room yun.
Yeah.
Nandun lahat, di ba? So, ganun siya, Uy, Mars, parang pumapayat ka. Sige nga, ikot ka nga. Like, Mars, may ibang mga tao dito sa Zoom meeting
And
natin.
so when I saw her in person, oh my gosh,
was, like,
I couldn't
super-
believe it. And you know what was funny? My mom,
Oh.
hindi nakilala si Mars.
Oh my God. Dinaanan
Hindi
ba?
niya nakilala.
Dinaanan.
Hindi niya talaga. She just saw me talking to someone. I was like, Mom, si Cam, sabi niya, ha? Ikaw na yun.
Wow.
Ang laki ng binigay mo.
Wow.
Ganon.
Kasi ate, what happened to me was, naging morena din
Yes.
ako.
Wait, nung pumayat ka, bigla ka na lang naging morena?
Kasi yung skin, banat. Banat yung skin. So, nung
And
pumayat,
I'm guessing she must have been doing outdoor runs or something.
were you?
But
a
I don't know,
little.
like,
Because but do you remember? I was like a little
I do. And that,
darker
and I just
than I
figured
used to be.
That you came from from the resort,
Oh,
di ba?
pwede,
Na baka,
pwede.
baka kaya maitim ka
Probably
nun.
we were running outdoors. I don't know.
Pero yun yung napansin ko rin, aside from maskulado na siya. No?
Yeah.
Nakita tayo sa circle noon na,
Oo. Kasi for the interview to si ate, pinatanong ng kaibigan ko paano mo daw nagawa yun.
Mars,
Sige, sabihin mo sa akin lahat.
Kapitbahay ko nagtatanong. Kaya gusto ko i-share mo yung story mo.
Yeah,
They're
yeah.
not interested in our stories. They want to know your story.
Para lahat ng mga kapitbahay at kaibigan namin, ito na straight from
Yes.
Pero yun, that's what I remembered. You were darker. You were more, syempre mas halata yung cuts mo pa
Yes.
kapag, parang ako, Beno, nangyari. As in, bato-bato na siya.
Bato talaga. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari din. Totoo.
Oh,
Hanip.
it did feel
Hanip.
like it was a sudden, but it was only because it happened during the pandemic na hindi natin siya
Nakikita.
nakikita
Yes.
as she was going through
Yes,
that.
yes,
We saw her for the beginning and then we didn't see
30
the middle.
pounds heavier.
We saw na lang the end.
Which is such an awesome, parang Instagram before
Ang
and
galing.
after. Di ba?
That's
Parang
true.
tumalikod ka lang, pagharap mo. Bata ka
Yung
na,
mga may
maitim ka na,
mga
tapos-
effects na pumalakpak
Yung
lang.
gawa
Tas bebot, ganon.
Mars, ganon.
Nauna ka sa bebot
Oo,
trend.
correct.
Amazing
Pero yeah,
though. Also take note, matulog. It's hard for everybody, but I think this is the gold standard, the one that we
Yes.
should all strive for because it's the hardest to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Tapos nun,
Change a little
consistent
habits,
workout.
consistent.
Yes, don't
Consistency.
don't focus on your weight. Kasi kapag nakita mo, tama yung sinabi mo kasi ate na parang 1 week akong nagpakahirap tapos walang nangyari, ayoko na, tigil na natin to. Hindi siya
Kapagod.
ganun. Ang dami mong binabago sa katawan mo bago ka dumating dun sa point na mag-shred ka. Kasi looking back, that's what I noticed. Nag-shred muna ako ng weight. Bumagsak muna yung katawan ko before I started building and toning up muscle. So it was like a process that your body goes through as you become consistent on doing something. The second realization ko, yung parang, shucks, kaya ko pala yun. Yung pag nagbubuhat ka na ng mabigat, like 20 pounds na isang kamay, parang, I never
That's
thought
heavy. Yeah,
na
yeah,
kaya ko
yeah.
pala siyang gawin.
Yeah.
Kasi parang, I realized also how our body can do so
Galing.
much.
Galing.
Only if we allow it to, if
Absolutely.
we give it time na matutunan o makasanayan yung mga ganitong bagay, we underestimate ourselves so much.
Yeah, yeah.
Nililimit natin yung sarili natin na, hindi ko kaya yan. Ganito na talaga ako. Ganyan na ako. But only if you push yourself to that point na, kaya ko pala.
You'll be surprised. You'd be surprised,
And
diba?
it's amazing.
What were the workouts that you did, Mars?
Circuit Mars. So
Okay.
it was a mix of strength and HIIT.
Okay.
Because I think,
High intensity at saka heavy
yes,
weightlifting.
kasi yun din yung tinatanong ko kay Mars dati. Sabi ko, Mars, di ba pag nagbuhat ka ng mabigat, baka maging maskulada ako. Ayokong maging ganun. Sabi na, Mars, your muscle will be the one to burn your fat. So hindi ka maglalaki. Kasi you don't even have the
You're not.
hormones, the what
I
they
don't know
don't
what
have
the
the
hormone is, but
testosterone
it's
that
really.
we don't have that as women.
oo.
So for you to build muscle that way, kailangan marami kang
Bodybuilder style
Yeah.
ka talaga
Yes,
nun. So
yeah.
meron
Pero
ka
tsaka
mga
nasa
diet
supplements,
din
meron
yun.
ka.
Like if that's your
Yes.
intention,
Yes,
then you're
kaya
gonna
din.
eat a
Oo.
certain way to
Right.
have that kind of.
But naturally,
Yeah.
building muscle will help burn your fat. Sabi na
But
kaya huwag ka
also, Mars,
matakot.
I mean, I know that a lot of girls are scared to
Lift
look
weights.
muscly, to get bulky. And I know that for a time, I was actually insecure about my muscle. Because of that. Because I know that I don't look like a girl.
It's not very
la, la, la,
womanly.
la, la.
It's not very girly.
But to be honest, Mars, my strength has brought me to where I am now.
Exactly, Mars.
The kind of dancing that I could do, only I could do it because only I could lift my weight.
Yeah, yeah.
If I wasn't strong, I wouldn't have been given those opportunities to be the
aerial
anong binanggit
stuff.
mo ako? Buwis buhay dancer.
Yeah, that's
I wouldn't have been that, and I wouldn't have had that chance if I wasn't strong.
Yeah, yeah.
And so
Tama,
I became
tama.
so grateful for the strength that I had, even if it meant
Maskulado.
being
And tsaka, uy,
maskulada.
at saka
And
now,
I'm so proud of it because
correct. And you should be.
and do you know the
Mars.
confidence that my strength has given me? It gives me the confidence to run out because I'm not scared that someone's gonna wanna try to
Yes.
rob me.
Yes.
Matakot sila sa akin, no?
Talaga, subukan lang nila untog mo sila sa muscle mo.
Oo, huwag kang lalapit dito.
Oh, yeah.
Oo.
That's true,
Kung may
Mars.
gustong kumembot kay Drew,
Subukan mo. Subukan mo. Subukan mo.
Di mo kita mo to?
No, but really,
Kita mo ito?
as a mother, the confidence it gives me in being able to push
Carry,
them in a
yeah.
wagon,
Right.
push all six of them.
Yeah.
Six? Paano sila naging six?
Naku, Mars, ha?
Bakit pa anim?
I think
Kasama si Drew dun sa
I think
six.
kasama si Drew dun. Kasama si Drew dun sa six. Yung for me to be able to push all of them in a wagon, carry them while carrying grocery bags, it's given me so much confidence to be able to move in such a way that only a strong woman can.
That's true. Absolutely.
And so
Absolutely.
whether or not my body might not look like what you want your body to look like, I'm grateful for what my body can do.
Absolutely.
true.
Absolutely.
I don't know if your body can do the same. Wow!
Wow!
No, but
Palaway
really.
kay.
No, but
Palaway
really, that's
kay.
No, but
It takes a lot of work to get here.
Oh,
Oo,
Hindi,
Mars,
joke lang,
huwag
joke
kasing
lang.
palayuin.
Joke lang yun,
Oo.
joke lang.
Joke lang.
Ano
No, but
lang,
really,
in the
that's-
zone lang talaga
Correct.
si Mars.
Ano, alam mo,
No, because it
nauna ka
really,
lang.
it really made me feel insecure because I know that that's what a lot of women don't want. They don't want to look
Skinny.
bulky.
Yeah, that's
Diba?
true.
And there are times that I also don't want to look so bulky, but I also have to remind myself, okay, maybe your body's also just different, but I have to remind myself, but your body is strong. and look at
Yes.
what your body can do.
Yeah.
And that's just what I like to remind myself. So for the women out
Yeah.
there who feel like they're getting chunky or whatever, just remind yourself, look
Why
at
am
what
I
your body
doing
can do
this?
and
Yes.
appreciate that, because the strength that you have is strength only you worked for, and no one else worked for that for you.
Yun,
gained that.
Mars.
Yeah.
Walang ibang gagawa nito para sa'yo kung hindi ikaw lang.
Yes.
Ikaw at ikaw lang.
At
And they
ikaw
say,
din ang magbe-benefit dyan.
yes, hindi rin
Yes.
sila. They say
Oh.
this is the true flex in
Yeah.
this generation.
Yes.
Kasi ngayon, ang dami ng madali, Mars. We were just talking about that earlier. Like, there are so many ways to lose weight now that
Oh,
you
yeah.
don't have to even
Oh,
make
yeah.
an effort.
Wag mo akong simulan dyan,
Ibang
Mars.
episode naman yun. Pero hanap kami
Wag
ng
mo akong
expert.
simulan dyan.
Yes, yes.
Hanap kami ng
But we're
interview.
just saying that it's out there.
Yes.
Di ba, pinauso ng mga
Yes.
taga-ibang bansa.
Yes.
Ngayon, nandito na sa atin. We see a lot of people also using that. Not that, to each his own.
Bahala.
Iba-iba naman
Oo,
tayo ng
absolutely.
May mga
goal
kanya-kanya
in
naman
life.
tayong
Yes.
pinagdadaanan
And sometimes,
din.
hindi natin maiiwasan na meron siya madali ito
Mars.
Subukan ko kaya.
Madalas
Oo,
kong
agree,
iniisip
agree,
din yun.
agree.
Diba?
Yeah.
Kasi syempre nandun ka sa, we live in a world where aesthetic is of value.
Yes.
But sometimes it comes with, mostly, it comes with a cost.
Oo.
Diba? Meron siyang kapalit. At yung kapalit na yun, ate, hindi siya okay.
Yeah.
So ito yung true flex. Kasi Mars, yung muscle that you have, it's that way because of the work that you
Put
do
in.
For years and,
And
consistent
to make
work.
that show up.
And that's the confidence that I would love for all the other women and men to feel, because when you put the work in, you will feel so great about it and you benefit from it.
So ito na ang stumbling block ng karamihan. Yes, they want to do that. Yes, they want to be consistent. But time is the issue. Sa totoo lang, gets ko yan. Because on days and on seasons, kunwari Christmas season, blah, 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 na sobrang busy days, yan ang una kong ilalaglag sa araw ko. It's the working out. So, ano ba ang pwede natin gawin? Kasi, swerte tayo Flexi time. Today, hindi masyadong busy, workout ka, 1 oras. Bukas, medyo busy, 30 minutes. Pero yung iba na nagko-commute pa, papasok ng office, ng school, and the same way, pag uwi, magluluto pa, paano? Na very unheralded yung walking. So now, marami ng research na nagpo-prove na it's really movement na nawala sa atin being in the city.
Do
Diba?
not underestimate walking.
At
Yes,
saka
yes.
pansinin nyo na lang sa ibang bansa. O
Oo,
Japan,
oo.
Hong Kong, kung
Oo.
saan man. Bakit sila ganun? Kasi
Oo.
naglalakad
Yes,
sila.
Puro sila
yes,
lakad.
Tayo lang mga
yes,
Pinoy,
totoo.
medyo tamad maglakad.
Totoo.
Yes.
Dati,
Well, hindi rin kasi nakakatulong yung wala
Pollution.
tayong mga
wala ka ring malakaran. Wala ka ring malakaran
Oo,
kasi.
nagbubuwis buhay ka kasi naglalakad ka
Oo,
sa daan.
pero
Baka
alam nyo,
masagip-
pagka naglakad
baka
kayo
mahagip
in
ka pa ng
groups,
jeepney, di ba?
Oo.
Kunwari,
din.
mas dumami yung naglalakad. Parang mga motor lang yan, Mars O dahil mas marami nagmamotor, wala ka ngayon choice but to make way for
Very
them.
gang yung dating,
Pero
ah.
kung marami rin kayong naglalakad, parang may rally lang araw-araw.
So I guess, gawa kayo ng paraan kung paano nyo pwedeng isingit yung extra
Yes.
steps para
Yes.
sa araw ninyo. Kunwari, for example, ako dati, hate na hate ko yung pag nagpa-park ako malayo sa entrance ng mall. Ngayon, okay na siya sa akin.
Kasi added steps
Yes.
siya.
Siya. Kung yung kanari, akit ako sa 3rd floor lang naman, 4th floor, lalakarin ko na lang siya. Yung mga small things like that, pwede siya
Yeah.
mag-start. Everything na gagawin nyo sa buhay ninyo na change, lagi siyang mahirap sa umpisa.
Yes.
At kasama na dyan ang fitness, kasama na dyan ang exercise.
At ang malaking kalaban nyo dyan is mental.
Yes,
It's not
totoo.
really dahil napagod ka. It's because you just easily gave up.
Yeah,
Or inisip mo lang na, ay, ang hirap, ayoko na. Pero alam mo, it's a mental thing.
Yeah, yeah.
Kaya mo Kailangan mo lang i-push yung isip mo na,
Yeah.
kaya mo to, girl. Laban. Tapos pagdating mo doon, kaya ko pala, hindi ako
Yeah,
namatay.
yeah, yeah.
Diba?
And notice how everything after your workout seems much easier.
Absolutely. And you feel so much better. And sabi nga ni Camille dati, nung pinag-usapan natin to sa Mars before, never mo naman pagsisisihan na nag-workout ka.
Yes!
Except, sabi mo, naalala ko ba ito, except kung na-injure ka, di ba, trip ka. Kasi parang, kainis naman dapat, di na kami nag-basketball. na nakachinelas. Kasi, or dapain na, pag nakachinelas. Pero ibig ko sabihin yun, di ba?
You'll never regret it.
You'll never regret it Pero so I guess, that's it. Na parang gawan mo siya sa mindset mo na kailangan ko siya maisingit kasi it's going to be for me and for my family. I guess, I remember this one time na syempre sunod-sunod din yung kids ko After 1 year na bubuntis na ako agad or nanganganak na ulit. So I always felt guilty about working out. Na parang, or kasi parang,
And it's natural to feel that way.
so parang taking time away from caring for my kids and
Yeah.
ganyan. But when I started, kasi I wanted to do triathlons also, like Paolo, who had been doing triathlons
Yeah.
then, 10 years na. So I had to train for that, so I had to start running. So sa umpisa, dahil hindi naman talaga ako tumatakbo, syempre pagod na pagod ako.
Yeah.
Pero ang running or any cardio gives you so much energy
That's
after.
true.
It actually extended my day. Kasi dati, by the time uwi ako sa bahay, patang-pata na ako, tapos may
You
tatlong
got it,
bata,
ate.
tapos kailangan magagawa.
Yung parang hindi ka na nga kumilos ka. Okay, kumilos ka, syempre may gawaing bahay.
Oo.
Pero yung pagod mo parang to the max.
Oo,
Yes.
Pero itong nag-workout ka, parang may konting energy ka
Meron
pang
pang extra
natitira.
fuel May extra fuel.
Yes.
Sa umpisa do, of course, pagod ka talaga.
Mapapagod
Kasi
ka.
syempre yung
Mga 2 weeks.
muscle mo nag-a-adjust
It
eh.
happens.
Oo,
Mapapagod
oo,
ka.
oo. Lalo na pag sa umpisa.
And that's normal.
After nun, specifically cardio. I
Yes.
think that's the one that helped me extend my day. So, ang nag-benefit din sa fitness ko, bukod sa sarili ko, ay yung anak ko
Mga
din.
anak ko.
Correct. Asawa ko din.
Oo.
Yeah.
Ako naman, another
And
thing,
the
Mars.
endorphins, it's a real thing. You're
Yes.
coming back as a happier person.
That's
Totoo,
true, Mars.
totoo.
That's true.
Oo.
Yung isang natandaan ko dito, Mars, na na-experience ko din, ang sarap matulog sa gabi.
Oo,
Di ba
din.
minsan kasi late ka na natulog, di ba? Pero pagising mo, parang wala ka pang energy. Ito, dahil nakapag-workout ka, nagawa mo lahat, you had extra energy by 8 o'clock and you wind down, talagang yung katawan mo, yung deserve na tong pahinga na to.
Yung ang bigat niya sa unan, no?
Yes.
Yung ulo mo, ang bigat niya sa unan, sarap.
At saka dahil nagre-repair yung muscle mo, mas
Oo.
malalim, mas masarap ang tulog.
Cultural.
Diba? Parang, I don't know.
Cultural.
Pero it is parang, mas, sarap ng tulog ko na yun
sarap.
Kasi, I don't know, naiba sa tulog ko dati.
Totoo.
Second, when you play with your kids, hindi masakit sa katawan.
Oo, at saka mas may patience ka to actually enjoy the moment.
Yes.
Kasi hindi din pa mapapagod ako dyan.
Oo,
eh.
ang sakit ng
Ito may
balakang
moment
ko.
ka actually to
Yeah.
enjoy
Yeah.
the moment with your children.
And
Because
then,
you can.
looking forward to the next day when you have your me time, that's also considered your me time, di ba?
Yes.
Mag-isa ka lang, nag-workout ka, you're left with your thoughts, you're left with the opportunity to figure out what else do I want to do, what am I gonna do later, etc. etc. Tapos pagbalik mo, refreshed ka, tapos gulo-gulo na naman kayo ulit sa bahay, tapos the next day, do it over.
Actually, working out, it's helping you manage stress in a healthier way. Because it's actually stressful working out. Diba? It's like, oh, I don't want to do 10 reps of that, tapos 3 sets pa. You're actually managing stress in that moment.
Yes.
And so, as you practice learning
Yeah,
how to
yeah.
manage your stress in a better way, you're able to apply that
In other
That's
areas.
in so many other areas. And
Oo.
stress, guys, no tayo sa stress.
Stress management.
Yes.
Kasi hindi mo naman ma-avoid yung stress, eh. Di ba? Sabihin nila,
Yeah.
avoid stress. Paano? Paano mo kung ma-avoid yung stress?
You just
Mama-manage mo lang
And
siya.
it really, and
Management.
working out helps with that because you're
Absolutely.
practicing it.
That's
Absolutely.
Diba?
Oo
And-
nga. Tama,
Diba?
tama.
I love this.
It also works to try to be positive about what lies ahead. I never liked running. Favorite ko yan, swimming,
I don't like
biking,
running
di ba?
too, Sus, oo.
Pero I realized na if I keep saying that I hate running,
It's like you're convincing yourself to really hate it.
I
Tama.
still tell myself that.
ako yun, binaliktad, gusto ko sabihin, pero binabaliktad ko na. Your
Yeah.
body can hear you, the energy that
Yes.
you feed it can hear you. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Alam ko naman niloloko
Can't
ko
wait
lang
to run
siya.
20
But that
kilometers
helps,
tomorrow.
Yung ipo-boost mo yung
Yes,
sarili mo,
yes.
isa-self-talk mo ng
Medyo
ganun.
nilararan
Sobrang
mo yung sarili mo.
importante yun.
Minsan
Walang ibang gagawa nun for you, Mars.
Wala. Oh, minsan si Paolo ganyan, you can do it, mama, go. Tinatamad ako, you can do it. Okay, let's go.
Yes, I can do
believe
it.
you. I
Okay,
think I
believe you,
can.
Paolo. Pero hindi, totoo yun. So, we know it's hard, pero always remember na yung una and primary dito is health and fitness ninyo. It's for longevity also.
It's for your family.
You want to live a long life, but do you want to live to be 90 or 100? Pero hindi ka naman halos makalakad,
Yeah,
hindi ka
like the
makabot, hindi ka
quality of it.
makatayo. Yung quality
The
yung
quality of
pinupush
life.
natin.
At saka
dyan.
yun yung maganda dun eh. Kasi sinasabi nung, uy, kahit naman hindi ako maging healthy, paano kung, I leave this earth this way.
Oo.
I'm like, you know what? You do what you can control. Other things you can't. Diba? Yung sickness, kung ano man yan, if
Totoo
it's
yan.
genetics or other things.
oo,
Pero
totoo
yung
yan.
kaya mong kontrolin, yung pag-alaga sa sarili mo by working out, by eating well, those you can control. At least nababawasan mo na yung percentage ng mga possibility that will not allow you to live longer than you would want to.
Kasi you would say na parang, what if this happens to me anyway? Sayang yung workout ko.
Sayang naman
pero what if you
nagtatrabaho.
do live long? What if you do?
Yeah.
And then you'll end up bedridden or fractured or on a, parang stuck somewhere or siguro isa din yun sa mga things na parang motivation ko na parang sana as I live longer, sana mobile ako.
Yeah.
Sana nakakagalaw ako, nagagawa ko yung mga gusto kong gawin. Kasi ang hirap din for some na parang extended yung life, pero parang they feel like, I wanna go.
Yeah.
There's, I don't find purpose in
Yes.
life anymore. I'm just waiting
Totoo.
for the time for me to go. Parang ang hirap din
Yeah.
nun. So now that you somehow have a little control of that, why not do something about it?
Absolutely.
Actually, Mars, that's also one of the things that I like to tell myself na, we're blessed every day with a body that can move. And I feel like I want to honor God with what I do with my body. That's true. And so how we care
Yeah.
for it.
Yes.
And if we care for it, we can be used
Yes.
in many other ways to be a blessing to other
Yeah,
people,
to
to be
care for our
helpful, to care for
children.
other
Yeah,
people,
yeah.
to be used by
Yeah,
God, and
yeah.
who knows in what ways. So so Lord, help me make better food choices.
Yun yung pinakamahirap. Alam mo, yun yung
Yun talaga.
well, at least, ang hirap niya. Ang hirap niya. Pigil na pigil din lang ako.
Lalo na
pero
kapag
it's hard.
magkakaroon ka.
Wow, wala na yan. Give it up.
Yeah.
Give it up.
Just accept it.
Totoo.
Bawiin mo na lang
Bawiin mo na lang
pagkatapos.
We try our best.
Yeah,
We
that's
try
true.
our best.
And I think that's
Mars.
it. Whenever people are kind enough to compliment me, oh, you look so good, you look so fit, you look so healthy, I just always say, always trying. I'm
Always
just
trying.
always trying. Sabi ko, and I think we should all always try. Small ways, and then makita nyo bigger ways, bigger ways, bigger ways.
Suze, it's inspiring looking at you.
Yeah,
thank
this
you,
is the
guys.
goal.
This is
Thank
the
you,
goal.
guys.
Why do you think Cass looks
50.
up to you so much? That's why we look up to you so much. You and Pao are the goal.
Yes.
You and Pao are the goal.
At
Alam mo na,
dapat may
always
ganun
trying,
kayo.
always
Oo.
trying.
And dahil may mga ganitong na-measure sa kanya, kaya din maintain siya.
Tama din.
Actually, uy, sayang naman yung mga naglo-look up sa akin
Correct
kung papabayaan
naman.
mo.
Tama.
Mag-let go
Sayang
ako
naman
sa
yung
kanila.
image ko.
Sayang naman yung image ko.
So,
Yung image ko.
nakakatulong nila. Totoo. Totoo. Reciprocated naman. Oo nga. O, paikot-ikot naman siya.
And I also want to hand it to our ever so supportive husbands.
Totoo.
Yes.
Which
Who
is
are
another
also fit.
episode that you guys should watch out for. Ang usapang hobbies at kung bakit ang henerasyon ngayon,
Yan.
hindi
Natatakot
sila...
na.
Natatakot na
na
sila
mag-asawa.
So we will try to convince you otherwise.
Yeah!
In one
It's
of
one
the
of the
coming
greatest
episodes.
blessings, di ba? To
Totoo.
grow old with someone, to have someone na
Love you,
best friend
support
mo.
you.
Oo, totoo.
Anyway,
Totoo, ibang usapan naman yan, ibang episode yan. Pero for today, we encourage you to take the first step, no matter how small or short that step is, and go from there.
And
Diba?
be
Kung-
consistent.
Yes, yan yun.
And
yan yun.
find your people.
Yan.
And that's it for episode 2. Dahil
Kami ang inyong mga